Welcome to this new unboxing video. Today I'm going to unbox these 4 models. These are 3 models of Phoenix and 1 Gemini Jets model. The first one is these Aeroflot Tupolev TU-154 from Phoenix. This is the box. The next model is this Taag Angola 777-300. These are also these 3 you can see here, except the KLM, are quite old models, so I'm very happy to have them. And the last Phoenix model is this Azerbaijan Airbus A340-600. And my only new Gemini Jets is this KLM 787-10 with the 100 years sticker on front. This is the box. You can also see inside. Pause the video if you want to read this. So the first model is this KLM 787-10 from Gemini Jets. So guys, this is the model. I think it's a very nice model. I'll give you a closer look. Very nice. I really like this airplane. So the registration is Papa Hotel Bravo Kilo Alpha, and on the right hand side you also see the 787-10 markings. Here you can see the belly of the airplane, together with the main landing gear, the front landing gear, and the 2 engines. So the next model we're going to unbox is this Azerbaijan A340-600. The registration you can see down here, it's 4 Kilo Alpha India 08, and it's from Phoenix. So let's unbox this model. So here we have the model out of the box. You know, it's just a stunning airplane. I really like this airplane, and especially the Model 2. I'm really happy to have it. I will give you a closer look. So here we have the cockpit and the first door. Azerbaijan name. To engines number 1 and 2, and the registration 4 Kilo Alpha India 08. The stunning tail as well. So here we have the belly of the airplane. You can see the 4 engines very clearly now, the main landing gear and the front landing gear. This is the next model. It's the Aeroflot Tupolev TU-154M. It's also quite an old model. It's again from Phoenix. This is the box, just a normal Phoenix box. So let's unbox the airplane. So here we have the model out of the box. I really like this one too. I like them all, but yeah, especially the Tupolev TU-154. You wouldn't see them often these days. And you know, the look at the tail, just amazing. The 6 landing gears on each part. So on the main landing gear, Tupolev has 12 wheels. That's a lot. I just realized that the wing is a little bit loose. I don't know if you can see it very well, but that's alright. That's not a big problem. And the belly, as I said, 12 wheels on the main and 2 in front as well. So let's move on to the next model. So the final model is this Taag Angola Airlines Boeing 777-300ER. Once again from Phoenix. The registration is Delta 2 Tango Echo Golf. And this is the back of the box. This is quite an old model as well. So yeah, let's unbox the model. So here we have the model out of the box. It's just a stunning looking model as well, with the kind of antelope on the tail. I don't really know the kind, but probably the national animal of Angola. With the flag just behind the first door on the left side. So here you have a close-up of the model. And the bottom of the airplane with the main landing gear and the front landing gear. The two engines as well. The registration on the left wing. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe if you want. And probably next week I will have another review video, because I have ordered the in-flight 200 1/200 scale Aeroflot Airbus A350 with the new livery, and the NG models US Airways A330 200 and the 1/400 scale. So stay tuned for that. Bye.